In this video, we're going to cover how to use your Omega Footpad for a TENS unit. After a long day at work, the Omega Footpad is great for pain relief. First, clean off the bottom of your feet and make sure that your feet are not wet or have excess dirt or oils on the soles. We recommend using an alcohol pad to prep the soles of the feet. If you have any cuts or sores, do not use the device. In this example, we're going to be using the Omega wireless host device and touchscreen remote available in the Omega Footpad bundle. If you have a standard TENS unit, then this footpad will still be compatible, or you can purchase our blue wires separately to use with any Omega TENS unit device. Make sure your TENS unit is powered off prior to attaching it to the footpad. After you have cleaned your feet and attached your powered off TENS unit to the wires or using our wireless host device, you can now place your feet back on the Omega Footpad. Press the button in the center of the wireless host device and notice the blue light flash to indicate that the device is powered on. To pair the remote, press the power button on the top right side and the connection symbol displays to show that the remote is now connected. Select the massage mode intensity and time on your device and enjoy a customized TENS massage. Say goodbye to your foot pain with the Omega Footpad and get back to enjoying life again.